Hello lovelies, how are you doing? Hello. So today let's make jollof rice together. Okay, so here's my protein. It's chicken that I will be using it. These are my spices that I will be using. So here I have complete seasoning. It means it's complete. So it has everything inside. It's all seasoning put together. This is ginger and garlic. We'll be using that as well. Here is thyme. Of course, we'll be using that as well. Again, this is curry. That's curry. It's part of our spices, and here is jollof mix. Yeah, I so much love it to jollof mix. And here is turmeric. Here is turmeric, also part of our spices. So yeah, and that is our seasoning cubes. I'm using Nora. Okay, it's so nice. I use Nora, and it's so very nice. So here are my spices that we'll be using to make our jollof rice. So here is our chicken. All the spices shown now has been added into it. So here is it on the gas already, and I've not added water, right? I'm just trying to use I'm just trying to stir everything together that will coat all the chicken. So here is our peppers. This is the peppers we'll be using. Here I have tomatoes, I have onions, I have rodo, scotch bonnet pepper, and I have tatashi. So I'll blend all this together to give me a smooth paste. Okay, so our chicken is ready and ready to be fried. Okay, here's our chicken. Can you see that? Time to fry it. I'm putting it inside the oil. So my oil is heated already on the gas, so I'm just dropping it in like that. Just want to fry it till it's golden brown. Can you see that? Frying in progress. Our yummy chicken. Wow, in progress. Can you see that? And the chicken is done. I'm done frying the chicken. So here is the same oil I used to fry the chicken. It's the same oil I'm using. This. Why not? It will even give the food a more lovely taste. So I added my chopped onion and also added my tomato paste. That's my tomato paste inside the oil onion. So I'm mixing everything together. So you allow this to fry for a few minutes so that the tomato paste will be nice. You get. So you keep stirring and you put it on low heat. So I kept stirring. Can you see how it's looking? Because it's looking different from when I just added the paste. So here it's ready. So this is a pepper that I blended. The peppers I showed you earlier that I blended, so I added it inside the oil, onions, and tomato paste. I'm stirring it now. And make sure I will leave it to fry, right? Because it must fry and be bringing out the oil on top, so that you know it's ready by then. So here is it. Can you see that the oil is heating already? It shows it's ready. So here I'm also going to add all my seasonings that I showed you there. So here is thyme. I added everything, child. Guys, do you love my vlogs? Do you want more of these vlogs? If yes, let me know in the comment section, okay? So that we can begin, or we can add vlogs to our talks. So do you guys? So that's, I think, curry, yeah. So that's ginger and garlic powder. I just basically added all the seasonings I showed you the other time. So here is me stirring it together after adding everything. It's looking like it already, and that's salt. You need to look. I was careful with myself because salt, seasoning, everything is added in the protein, the chicken that I bought. So I was careful adding seasonings inside this as well. So that's I took part of the chicken and I put it inside the sauce so that it will, it will matter. That sweet sauce will enter it a little. Do you understand? So here I've taken them out. I've taken the chicken out, the protein. I took them all out so that I can start with, so that I can pour the rice. So this is me pouring the rice into the sauce, and that's it. I poured it and I stirred. And after stirring, after making sure everything is coated with the sauce, I now added my chicken stock. So you first add that and mix it again. I added it, I mixed it again, and of course you can see that water won't be enough, to cook the rice. So here I'll be adding water. So I'm adding water already so that to cook the rice, so that to make the rice soft. And this is me covering the pot with foil paper. And tada! What are you looking at? Are you not looking at what is good? Is this not looking yummy to you? Oh my god, this is beautiful. So I love it this way. I'm extra that way, after cooking everything, after cooking everything, I love, adding extra tomatoes and sliced tomato and onions to give it more flavor, right? So I added it and I covered it to, simmer for a very few minutes. And tada! This is it. This is our finished food, finished process. So it's all ready now, and here is it inside the plate, ready to be devoured. So I dished the food. I said, let me show my people how beautiful it's looking. So here is it after dishing. Isn't it looking nice? Isn't it looking yummy? Isn't it looking yummylicious? So that is it. That's our rice. It's really fully ready now, ready to be consumed, ready to be devoured.